got a lot of cool stuff in today. We've got some Nerf bars that'll get installed down here. I also got a rear bumper, which we will get installed back here. And let's see what else. We also got the front fenders, which we will get put up front here. Also, I did get a set of mirrors. Pretty excited about this. These are the official CF MOTO mirrors. These guys here are the, in case you're wondering, side mirrors, valid for ZFORCE 950 Sport, ZFORCE 1000 Sport. Model number is PN5BY. Yeah, that's a long number. I'll put it down in the link for you. Before I get rolling on this, I do have a couple thank yous. One of them is for another fellow YouTuber. His channel goes by Justin the Creator. He turned me on to this company. You'll go to CFMOTOwarehouse.com. Those guys got these here in 4 days. Excellent to deal with on the phone. Really happy with them. So yeah, so Justin the Creator, check him out on YouTube. Really good guy. Gave me this lead. He didn't have to do that, and he did. He's just been really generous. And then again, CFMOTOwarehouse.com. I'm going to put Justin's link to his channel in the video description. I'm also going to leave you a link to CFMOTOwarehouse.com in the video description. So no need to write it down or remember it. That's where it will be. Let's get on with this, and I'm going to go ahead and do the mirrors today. Alright, so as I was telling you, so we got the mirrors. They come with these instructions here. You can see it's a CF MOTO, it's a real CF MOTO part. Not much to it. 2 mirrors, a left and a right. The left and right indicators for which side it goes on. As you can, hopefully you can see this. They show L and R right on them. No guesswork there. And also on top of the other CF MOTO stuff that I had got, I went ahead and ordered this here. Again, no affiliation with any of the stuff that's here. These are just things I want to show you. These are from Rhino. It's a recovery tree saver strap. What this here is for is when you need to use your winch, folks, that's a winch, not wench. You can wrap these around the tree. It's basically referred to as a tree saver. This thing you can tell here, I mean, this is solid. This is a great product. And along with those, I did get the heavy duty locks. You've got these as well. I mean, these suckers these are heavy. These are, again, heavy duty. You have this, which is removable. And then, of course, your locking pin. And those would go around. Once you pull your winch out and you strap your winch into here and you wrap this around the tree, the other piece, these go in there. And then you can do your pulling. So I just wanted to show you those real quick. If you guys are looking for a reliable strap that's heavy duty, I have no problem recommending this one. Alright guys, so what we got here is your first mirror. Now you can see here, you got your bar. It comes up here and then here. First thought is, oh, I'm going to put them here, but just so you'll know if you put them there, yeah, that doesn't work. These are designed to go down in the lower bar part. Again, really simple. All you need to do here is take this, line them up, start with your bolts, and another nice Allen key installation. I love these things. It makes everything so easy. Now when you're doing this, don't tighten them all the way at first because you're going to want to come back and do the adjustment. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do the one here and then go do the one that's diagonal. That way I can adjust this easily and then come back and put the rest in and tighten it down. But right now, let's do it this way to make things a little bit simpler. So yeah, guys, again, as I was saying to you earlier, again, I just want to say thank you for continuing to tune in. Yeah, I'm really happy with where the channel's going. Again, thanks. All right, so once these are in, now I can do my adjustments and see, because I just did the two of them, I can slide this up and down. Oh wow, this is going to be a game changer for riding this on public trails. For one, in a lot of your states, check your rules. You have to have mirrors. You don't necessarily always have to have a rear view. Maybe in some states you do, but here in New Hampshire, you have to have at least side mirrors. So when you're out on the trail, you can see what's going on behind you. It's state law, so it doesn't matter whether I like them or not. But I do like these. They do bend in and out. So I would think that if I nail a tree, it's probably going to push it in. But I can tell too, if I nail a tree, it could also break it. The nice thing is, you can see where this wing comes out. If I try to follow this, it comes to about right here. So I'm really only extending my width, maybe 2 inches. I don't see this being a big problem, nailing things. Plus, I do try to ride this on some wider trails. It's not a four-wheeler, and I know that. But yeah, that's good. So I'm liking that. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten this down. As I told you, this was going to be an easy install. So I'll just go ahead and put these in. So if there's guys out there like me, and I've said this before, I'm not mechanical. I'm not totally clueless, but my confidence level when it comes to mechanics isn't strong. I'm more of a computer guy. However, in saying that, you cannot excel in life if you don't try to overcome things that you're not comfortable with. We can't go through life only doing things that we're comfortable with. Because if you do that, you're just not going to personally find certain satisfactions that you can have. Not to mention by tackling mechanical things, boy, the amount of money you can save if you just do it yourself. This is gonna sound funny to you guys. So a few years back, these types of things were just something I would just tell myself, I can't do it. You just saw me do this. It took me 5 minutes. Probably take me less time if I wasn't chatting away with you. A few years back, I would have ordered these, loaded this up, and said, let me get someone else to do it. Now, 2 stupid things about that. 1, what a waste of money. 2, I was not pushing myself to do something that was that easy. I was defeating myself before I even tried. So, again, what I'm getting at is if I have any viewers who just don't have that confidence and to think, I don't know how to do these things, that's hard. Not all of us are mechanics, and I can respect that because I'm one of them that is not a mechanic. Wanting to learn, trying to learn, will learn. So don't discount the things you can and can't do. To those of you that are watching this who are mechanical, you're chuckling and saying, well, that was easy, that was simple. I'll say the saying again. That was so easy, a caveman can do it. It really was that easy. But there's some of us that just don't have that mechanical way of thinking. Now this, on a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being the hardest, this was a 0.5. Anyone can do this, so no excuses. All right, let me tighten this down. And then I'm gonna go do the other side. It's the same exact thing, rinse, wash, repeat. Again, like I said, just tighten them all down after you've made your adjustment. It's nice and tight. And again, these can rotate. This can also be adjusted like this. And when that moves, it has a popping boom. So if you're gonna go down the trail that's tight, so you'll know you can pull these in. Now they are within, like I like to call this little wing, and you're not going to nail your mirrors. So that is nice. And that's it. That's simple, guys. But I don't know, I'm in a bit of a chatty mood today. I don't even know if you guys want to listen to what I have to say. Yeah, I'm excited. I've been excited. This channel has excited me. It's also worn me out. Stick around the channel a bit here. Yeah, if you are one of those people that are not confident with installs, hit the notification bell. I will do the installs on those and I'll give you a lot of detail. And my mind is all over the place today. This is interesting. Again, I've just been feeling restless, but burnt out. But it's okay. It's all part of the game, part of life. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope to see you back here at Simply New England very soon. I will do the install on the bumper, the Nerf bar, and the rear bumper. That is going to be more for you guys who, or ladies, who don't have the major confidence in getting things installed. It's also for the people who have not seen them on the machine before. You'll be able to see that. There are other creators who have done installs on these. I'm going to go a little bit more in depth, and I'm going to try to be there for my community that more aligns with myself, where I'm not some major mechanic. I don't think in terms of mechanical. I think in terms of computer. I am super computer literate, mechanically illiterate, but I'm learning and I'm trying, and I hope you guys will too. Don't forget, there's a lot of awesome content creators out there who do installs, and if you take your phone with you, there's a rewind button, there's a pause button. Let them walk you through it step by step, and that's what I'll try to be doing with you all. Well, let me end things there. Guys, Simply New England, peace, signing out, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button, like button, and the bell if you want to follow me. Have a great one.